Hey everyone, nice to meet y'all. If you're new here, my name is Anna. Basically, I have been super busy because of uni and all that stuff. Basically, now I am currently in first year university and I am majoring in environmental design, interior design specialization, which brings me to why I am so extra in decorating my room. Yeah, so basically I wanted to really base this video off of very cinematographic shots and also just try to like really unleash my inner interior designer and really calculate the budget and everything down to the measurements of the room and all that stuff. So I wanted to document the entire process with y'all and show you guys the finished product or the finished room and everything like that. So obviously the first part before anything was actually to find a house. So I went through the very exciting, totally non-stressful part of trying to find a place to live off campus. Anyways, though, after a lot of house hunting, which honestly, literally, this was my first house that I literally went to. So I was very, very lucky and I'm very grateful for that. After the whole house hunting experience, I ended up with this beautiful place downtown in Toronto. So I would have loved to create a whole rendering of my room and everything, but in all honesty, I have no prior experience with rendering software. I'm hoping to learn that in my few years at uni, but I don't have any experience in that at all. So I just kind of envision things in my head instead and hope for the best. But yeah, so I just went ahead and started planning my mood board. I have my room layout of the before pictures of what it looks like before I did anything to it. And then I also have my mood board, basically a lot of things just I took from Pinterest, obviously. My lovely beloved Pinterest board. So I really wanted a lot of vintage aspects, more so just gold and sage green, obviously. Just like retro flowers, very much basically who I am. But yeah, I also loved how my room has two big windows and one that's kind of more like a three sort of window design, which I thought was really cool. I just wanted to take a lot of inspiration from wood, lots of gold and mauve tones. Alrighty, and as for the budget, I basically wanted to aim for around $500 to a maximum of $800 in total with all the furniture and paint and everything like that, which I know might sound like a lot or little. I feel like it's a good amount for a room makeover. I feel like that's a pretty reasonable budget. Yeah, and stay tuned till the end to see if I actually stayed within the budget. So the first thing that I really wanted to do was paint my room, because that is just, I'm obsessed with sage green, as is everyone else it seems on TikTok, but it really is a really nice color. So I went to trusty IKEA for basically all my furniture, because that is where every university student goes to get their furniture. Not gonna lie though, I was gonna say, you know, their furniture is really easy to build, but this bed frame, not so easy. But I mean, it looks great, so beauty is pain. In the end, this is how my room looks, and I'm quite happy with how everything turned out. I think it was really nice, and obviously I'm living in it, so I think it worked out pretty well. The grand total cost for this entire room was $762.74. So I did stay under my budget. I was hoping to go closer to 500, but this is kind of in the middle between my budgets, so I think it turned out good. I'm pretty happy with all the details that I have. I got most things from IKEA. I had some thrifted things, which was really, really nice. I thrifted my curtains, and then I just sewed them and made them a little bit shorter. A lovely subscriber actually sent me these tufted hearts, and I personally actually wanted to tuft my own, but then I also realized that it probably would have ended up being a lot more expensive, because in the end it's kind of more of a on the pricier range of hobbies to do. But I'm really, really happy with the ones that I received. I will definitely link her Depop shop. It's just going to be down in the description below. I got a lot of other things from Etsy, and I really tried to, apart from, you know, IKEA, I wanted to branch off into thrift stores and a lot more smaller businesses, because I think why not? You know, you can help a little bit with some smaller businesses out there. And so that is this video, which is a video that I really hope you guys enjoyed, because I did obviously put a lot of effort into filming it through the whole month's, basically 6 months process of filming this entire thing, and obviously decorating the room itself. And here I am now. It's currently actually October, the beginning of October, which is crazy because it's been a month of university. And yeah, so I can't wait to edit this during reading week, because that will be very fun. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, of course, as always. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends, and use any of my codes in the description box. I have a Glossier and a Yes Style code if you want to save some money. And yeah, ciao. But yeah, anyways, since uni has been the start of something new, I've been feeling quite scenty, not gonna lie. But you know what, I'm just gonna keep in mind that it's a very thrilling experience, because it is. And in retrospect, even though at the moment you might be much more conscious of the struggle than the thrill, but yeah, wish you all the best if you're in uni or high school or whatever it is. But yeah, love y'all. Ciao.
Okay, well, that's it. That looks good.
We're bringing our
That's nice.
stuff.
That's it.
Okay, all done.
Hey, you can leave it there.
Are you filming something?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.